Hello friends, welcome back again to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing good. As for me, I'm doing really great right over here, and I'm so glad to come your way again with another recipe. As you can see guys, we are having a delicious yam porridge today. Before we proceed further, I would like to take this time to welcome all my returning subscribers and all my new viewers. Thank you so much guys for all your support, all your all your comments. I really do appreciate them. If you are new to my channel and this is your very first time of stopping by to my channel, you're highly welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like, comment and share. So guys, let's get started. As I've previously shown you guys the yam, yeah, here we have the tomato, pepper, garlic, onion, and here we have spinach. These are some of the ingredients that we'll be using for this recipe. Here we have the yam, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the yam. I'll be peeling the back off and then slice it into smaller sizes. So guys, you can see how I'm cutting the yam in smaller sizes. However, you're welcome to cut your yam according to the sizes that you prefer. This is how I like doing my one. It makes it much more easier to get done easily. So I'm going to go ahead and clean my work area to get here clean and tidy. It's good to always clean when you are cooking. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and prep my tomato, pepper, all of the ingredients, and I'll be slicing the peppers in tiny pieces, and after that I'll place it in the pot and add a little bit of water and boil it like about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll start mashing it. Of recent, I've not been blending my tomatoes. Yeah, I've just been doing it this way and I've been loving it. I'll be showing you guys the whole of the process. Yeah, I just cut it in smaller chunks, add a little bit of water. Of course, I have to wash it before start cooking it. Yeah, cook it for 2 to 3 minutes and then pour the water out. Yeah, dispense the water out and start mashing it. So guys, after doing that, I'll go ahead now and start cutting the spinach. I'm just basically getting the ingredients ready before we start the main thing. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. If you are, please don't forget to like this video, comment, okay, and subscribe. So guys, the onion and the garlic are done with. As I said earlier that I'll be boiling the tomato and the peppers. Yeah, I just dispensed the water off and I'm gonna go ahead and lower the heat and then start mashing it. Doing my tomato this way makes it much more easier to dry the water, unlike when you blend your tomato. Yeah, and apart from that, it gives my stew a very good fresh taste and I've been enjoying it this way. So as you can see the consistency, it didn't even take much time and the water is already gone. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and then start cooking. Yeah. So I just added oil, olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, coconut oil, red oil, whichever oil you prefer. So yeah, I just added onion and just gonna give that a quick stir and then add the tomato paste. Give that a quick stir, then add salt to taste. Give that a quick stir as well. And this is the garlic that I grated previously with the onion. And here I have parsley. These are some of the herbs and the spices that I'm using. You can use any spice of your choice. It's all-purpose seasoning. I like to use lots of spices. It does give food a very good aroma, very good taste. Yeah, here we have sardine. I like to add sardine to my food. Like, I would say it's an alternative to crayfish. If you haven't got crayfish, use sardine instead. If you have one at home, it does make food. It does give food a very good flavor, guys. Here we have seasoning cube. No, I'm just gonna add one. In there we have two, but I'm just gonna use one. Give that a quick stir as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and test this. This is how we test food where I come from. Usually we don't use spoon, we use our hand to test the food. Yes, so here we have the yam. I just added the yam and I'm gonna start stirring that and mix it properly, proper mixing. This is looking good, guys. So here we're adding water. Yeah, and more water. So I'm basically gonna, you know, stir it properly and then cover it to cook for like about 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, let's say, yeah, between 10 to 15 minutes. And it's done. Yam is so easy to cook. So here I'm checking whether the yam is done. Yes, you can see it just slides through, it's done and moist, very soft, guys. So when it's soft, that's when you know that it is done. Here we have the spinach. This is my favorite part. I like green leaves. Yeah, I'm just gonna add the spinach in there and then turn this properly, mix it thoroughly, mix it proper mixing. Okay, yeah, the food is almost done because I don't like cooking my vegetable for a long period of time. Yeah, I'm just gonna stir that and mix it thoroughly and allow it to marinate together. Let's say 2 minutes at low heat, guys. At this point, you don't need your heating on your oven to be on anymore. You just allow the heat on the stove to help cook the veggies because the yam is already done. At this point, the food is ready, guys. The food is ready. It's looking so delicious. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section, guys. Yeah, it's done and it's time to dish out the food. Very aromatic, guys. My kids, they cleared their plates. Everybody loved this food. Everybody loved it. Everybody loved it. So guys, yeah, it is done. I'm dishing out the food now to test for you guys. And I'm gonna be pairing this with a little bit of, yeah, avocado. I'm gonna be adding a little bit of avocado. Yes, the combination is not bad at all. It really came out so nice, guys. Try this. Try it. It's good to try different recipes. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for watching up to this point. If you did watch up to this point, I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much. Avocado is lovely. It's a very lovely fruit. I literally have avocado every day or every other day. It is so lovely. It goes literally with everything, with bread, anything at all. You can just eat it on its own. So guys, here I am testing the food for you guys. It is so delicious. Thank you once again for watching up to this point. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.